Hello all, are you a senior citizen with giddiness, chest discomfort and shortness of breath while walking or climbing stairs? Check with your cardiologist because you may be having what is called severe aortic stenosis. Hi, this is Dr. Devasia from Kasturba Hospital, Manipal, cardiologist. We want to talk about a new therapy that is here for the last few years, that is transcatheter aortic valve replacement. If you are in advancing age, there is a chance that your most important or very important valve in the heart, called the aortic valve, may get damaged and may get narrowed. If it becomes severely narrowed, then it can cause giddiness, chest discomfort or shortness of breath, like I've already described. Most of the times, your surgeon will see you and advise if you are needing aortic valve replacement surgically or not. Sometimes, in advancing age or because of some other diseases coexisting, the surgeon may say that you are at high risk for surgical aortic valve replacement. In such scenario, we have what is called transcatheter aortic valve replacement. That means through a small keyhole in the leg, we send a wire, a balloon and a new valve to repair the old damaged valve and then replace it with the new valve that is already sent to the heart through the leg puncture. Why do we have to do that? Because it is not surgery, it is minimally invasive, it is safe, it is effective, and the recovery is very quick. Patient goes home in 1 or 2 days. This is Dr. Devasia from Cardiology, Kasturba Hospital and Medical College, Manipal. Thank you very much.